This year in STEAM, it's really a student-driven curriculum. I'm hoping this year that students learn to become empowered learners, digital citizens, knowledge constructors, innovative designers, computational thinkers, creative communicators, and global collaborators. We're also focusing on the 21st century skills of creativity, critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and connection. So this year I'm really hoping students really dive in, figure out what they're passionate about, and let that passion drive them with some really neat projects. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to email me.
Hi, I'm Miss Blair. Welcome to 8th grade math. Don't forget to sanitize.
Welcome to Junior High Art. My name is Mrs. Hager and I'm coming in to visit. We got Gabby and Carly. They're painting. Hi ladies. How are you both? Good. Beautiful paintings.
One of the little pigs is still gonna be alive.
Hi Gabby.
Hi.
Look beautiful guys. Hi guys. How are you doing?
Good.
What are you painting?
Landscape.
Good. They're looking pretty awesome. Some of you guys are on your second one. Very pretty. They're working very hard. Hi guys. How are y'all? Hi Ryan. So you guys are painting hard.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Bonner. I teach 8th grade language arts here at Hayward Junior High. As you can see, this is our classroom space and I'm excited to be here with everybody this year. We have a lot of really great things that we are talking about this year. Right now specifically we're talking about critical media literacy and the role media has in our understanding of trying to read the world. Be looking for my weekly updates for parents to kind of stay informed and on track with what we're doing in class, and reach out to me anytime.
Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Andrews and I teach 7th and 8th grade science. Welcome to an 8th grade science class. Right now we are working on learning how contact tracing works when we have a disease outbreak. So, welcome.
Every once in a while we come over you and get one.
Okay,
Walking in there.
Hi!
Hi, I'm Mrs. Campbell.
I'm Mrs. Fields.
And we are here at Hayworth at the junior high and high school, and we service students with IEPs and teach special education in the classroom. So we go to reading, we go to writing, we go to math, science, social studies. We're in all the classrooms. That's all.
Hi everybody, I am Debbie Moore. I am teaching your child math in the junior high school. Welcome to our virtual open house. I'd like to show you around my classroom and show you the new furniture that we were able to get this year. You'll notice that it is socially distanced as much as possible. On the back wall of my classroom, you'll notice that every student has access to their homework assignments all week long. That's also listed in their Google Classroom. I appreciate all of your support this year with everything that we have to be doing differently. And I'd like to remind you that if your child happens to be at home, all of the information that they need is on Google Classroom. They can attend class live via Zoom sessions, or if they miss the live session, they're always recorded and posted in Google Classroom as well. Because as you see on the board, sometimes hearing a lesson and taking the notes yourself is a lot better than trying to teach yourself on your own. So again, thank you for all the support this year, and I'm looking forward to having a great year. Thank you.
Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. We fought for these ideals, we shouldn't settle for less. These are wise words, enterprising men hold them. Don't act surprised, you guys, cause I
Improv.
Raise your hand, guys. Okay, well, raise your hand. I'm sorry.
Okay.